So Dave, you know what? Let's just show them it, okay? Totally excited today. We're here at the Woodward Dream Cruise. Just got done launching the 2018 50th Anniversary Cobra Jet Mustang.
Yeah, I'm really excited about the 50th Anniversary Cobra Jet. Lots of great new features from nose to tail on this thing. The 5.2-liter engine with a 3-liter Whipple supercharger, Gen 5. Lots of great features inside the car. The new 750 spec safety cage. We've got low rolling resistance brakes, revised dampers, race pack data system, just tons of great new features on this thing. It's so powerful and so fast that this thing required us actually to put a parachute on the back of it, so it's really great.
Didn't want you to get up in the front.